birthday, Rita! Rita, baby! Managkaon. Wow, gigutom. Klaro tunit. Ano masasabi mo sa birthday?
Happy! Kaayo na!
Biyuda ka, hindi na. Mga biyuda mo tanan?
Pinalanggali sa Ginoo kay mga biyuda.
Wow, mga biyuda. Mga bisita. Visitor. Iluod ko aslong.
Ha?
Iluod ko sa mong kape aslong.
Ano isa permino masanay na sa mga matapang.
Sure.
Ayun na magkasutan.
Pangit eh.
Ano yun sa unang isa?
Oh, gutom. Kung gutom ang mga bisita, may Rita.
Basura to. Ay, gutom yan. So, boy.
Nabusog na.
Happy birthday, girl. Hi.
Happy birthday. Oy, paningot sa birthday. Paningot kumaon sa paningot. Native na manok. Happy birthday to you. Yan ang celebrant. Naka-corona. Oh, 1, 2, 3, dala na yung picture ha. Dala na yung picture. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, sing. Pukos na to, pukos. Pukos na to, mga naong, mga naong.
Nanay mentor! Hi, mentor!
Dito na po karet. Ato bang dire, ato bang dire. Ato bang dire. Ana. Picture, picture. Picture. Sige, 1, 2, ready, sing. Thank you. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. Paula na. 1, 2, ready, go.
Sayaw! Sayaw!
And if there's no tomorrow, I'll be happy here and now. I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like a dream of the
Asa na ba? Asa na ba ng sound? Nawala ba ng sound?
Sayang mo sulod.
Ay, nato sa sulod ang tap. Konto kay ni Hinay. Wala.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
Guys, pauli na kami guys.
Nahalin, ana.
Galing kami nagsumba tapos nag-birthday sa kasama namin na Anjowak.
Si Rita.
Si Rita. Sabi dito.
Ewan, nakalimutan ko.
Ang saya ng birthday niya guys.
Pagkatapos
Nagsayawa
guys,
kami.
umuwi kami, naglalakad. Kasi busog na busog.
Busog kami sa birthday guys.
Hello! Buti na lang guys, ma-digest yung kinakain namin kanina.
Kasi nagsumba kami guys.
From Zumba, imagine guys, from Zumba, pumunta sa birthday. May kainan doon. Pagkatapos, nagsayawan.
Naborn na naman ang pagkain namin.
Pag-uwi namin, naglalakad.
Naglalakad pa, Jud.
Nawala ng busog.
1 kilometro. Bye guys. Bye guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Darren Tabs. Bye. Diretso ang biko.